Very nice.
I'll put a park in the driveway if you want. Huh?
Oh, they're right.
Got Lauren on video. That's Lauren and Aunt Marie.
Uncle Anthony and Jody digging.
Alright, I'm gonna get them. They're off. Nice mountain views. Serena, Aunt Marie's house.
Did you pull my hand out?
No. What did I do that to you?
That was me. I was leaving the house. I ran back. Yeah, we were programming the phone. I think I figured it
Right
was
hand up on you. That's how it works.
No, I thought you'd have to call and just say, come on over.
We're trying to dig a hole.
House.
The first time in history Anthony's done any manual labor. What is this one for? Oh, okay. Any sweat beads? Let's look. Close up. No sweat yet.
Not yet. It's too early yet. Dry heat.
Look at John, the man of the hour. And the hole after 3 hours is a ½ an inch deeper.
How long you guys did it? 20 minutes?
We did the front for an hour, and now we're doing the back.
What's up?
Anthony, it's, I don't know what time it is.
Approximately 3 o'clock.
Good quality watch there, Ant.
Thanks.
Zoom in on that bad boy.
Straight from New York, this watch.
Nice. Sunday, about to go home in a few minutes. Serena. Ah. I just planted some plants back here. You can see it took so long to plant those things.
What about new fauna? Flora and fauna. You like our new flora and fauna?
I have that.
I don't know. Let's go. I've been to that place. That guy is so cheap. I can't believe it's
Night, excess dirt. Little tree. A lot of water.
Get the Mexicans.
I'd rather get them. They may come with two places.
Probably get cheaper than you can.
Well, this guy looks like
Some gunk on the wall there. There's Riri. Aunt Riri. Say hi, Aunt Riri.
How are you? Who am I talking to?
You know what,
The
Nancy?
camera.
They build cabinets in
Yeah,
those
going.
garages.
You know I bought a new car?
Yeah.
That's very lovely.
Nice. I picked it out. That's why it's lovely.
Well, the cabinet for it. What's the difference?
Mommy.
What's the difference if it's a wall
She doesn't
or a
care.
deep cabinet?
Grandma, I mean Nancy. And Aunt.
She wants to show them?
How are you?
Good, Grandma. I mean
And
Aunt
why
Nancy.
cabinets without the,
You're going
without
to
the
get
doors?
such a beating from me.
You understand what I'm saying? Rather than how to build a wall.
But then again, what the heck is 6 grandchildren? I got 5 already.
Daddy.
I don't know. Who's grandma? Hi, John. How are you?
Good.
You go into
Did you have fun here?
Yeah.
Good. Want to move here?
I guess so, yeah.
I guess so, yeah. Where would you like to move?
This house.
Street? Across the street, or you want to move in with me?
Right next door.
I'm sorry, it's occupied on both sides.
Oh,
That's right across the street.
we'll kick Grandma out.
Oh, man.
Thanks a lot.
Now we'll just kick these people out over here.
That's a good, there's across the street.
Okay, how much, Dad? There's Anthony again. We'll go take a tour inside. Lord. Nice living room. Good quality fireplace there. Flip switch, if I can, there it is. It's the fireplace switch. Candies. Take a guide, check out Precious Moments cabinet. And we'll go check out the kitchen.
Where are the U.S. keys?
Probably in his pocket. There's Chode.
Chode after struggling by putting all the stuff in her suitcase.
The pantry. The pantry.
A pantry with no nonsense.
Serena.
Meeting in Hershey's Kiss.
leave now, Grams. Yeah. Anthony wanted me to take a tour of the house.
Get a good talk?
Anthony wanted me to take a tour of the house with this thing. Here's Riri's room. Nice big closet she's got in here. Look at this bad boy. Another minute, we'll have some coffee and leave. Head back for Arizona, nice 6-hour trip. It's not so fun either. Daddy carrying the bags. Shower that I love because you can sit down in. Nice, good quality bathroom. And we get ready, go to Arizona. Take care now. Bye-bye then.
See you in 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
We'll be back. Find us a job.
Good luck for you. Talk to you tonight or tomorrow, whatever. This looks familiar with the video. Your car, your mom's car last time.
What?
Oh, little Serena. When Adele left, I taped her leaving. See you later.
Be careful.
Hoover Dam.
We're gonna go to Wendy's for dinner. My choice. My treat. It's the choice.
See you later.
And get their job at Saturn. Add that stuff on the job application.
All right.
Oh, Ron, I said hello.
See you in 3 weeks.
Bye.
3 weeks. Serena. March 2nd. Hey, what's up?
Morning.
Morning. They're here.
Beautiful, so cold.
Hi.
How you doing?
Okay.
How'd you sleep? Good?
Ray,
Yeah, good. So tired last night.
Nancy.
See you can watch.
Hey, what's up? They made it. This Sunday, March 2nd. Morning.
Where are we going?
I don't know yet.
Scorpions. One of them was found by the garbage dumpsters by my son at his apartment complex, and the other one, the day we moved into our house, it was in the storage. We had everything put in the truck, and my husband heard something scratching against the metal walls in the storage unit, and he looked down, and it's supposed to be really soft.
You know?
No, that's Molly taking like cat hair.
Hello. Oh, good girl. Good girl. If I would not have brought you along.
Where's Mama Marie? Where's
Right,
Mama
with
Marie?
Shanty?
Them, they walk back, right?
Did they walk back to your house?
I think.
Because Grandma gets nervous.
Now, how old is Molly?
2.5.
Oh, she's young. Yep.
We went out to
She's got
dinner.
very bad back, her disc collapsing and her legs, she fell, you know, tonsillitis. Still has
March
arthritis.
7th.
She just fell.
Hey, Dad.
She had stitches in the back of her head, she fell in her bath.
Yep.
You said a nice
And Mary.
Sally Ann.
Mary Gambino, and she lives way on Trent, you know that. Let me try this. No. We have to try to get to her.
Aunt Beatty.
Trent was a really nice building, it's a medical building. And shoulders. The sun looks there.
Good quality fish.
Yeah, good quality fish. Good quality dinner. Hey,
Like all everybody's trained. We have a nurse on the premises.
good fish.
At all times. The nurse keeps track of all your appointments for you. And they remind you, like, we have to go to this, she has all these doctors.
Aunt Marie.
Doctor, whatever, the
Hey.
stomach, the,
Yeah, she's doing the dishes, get a fill of that.
But,
always taking pictures in between dishes.
oh,
See what I tell you, Cinderella, I always have a towel or a mop or something.
she's sitting up, it's a 3-hour flight. We told her, don't do it. Yeah, she didn't understand. She had it, she came.
Swedish fish.
Friends over there.
She said she,
Hey, I remember
I know who that is.
Marchie.
Hey.
Hey,
Hiya.
what's up?
Everybody's here together.
Anthony, is this
Yeah.
typical? Did you see
Ralph,
this
that
picture?
baby.
Did this make your stomach turn? Look at Jolena.
He doesn't like Joe Lane, old Joe Lane. Now he's got putting up. He ruined my birthday party when I was 5.
Jody?
Ruined everybody's birthday.
This was my house on Stewart Street.
That's it. Let me see it. It's like so typical.
Nancy's.
You have pictures from Smith's?
The new TV?
Went on every freaking ride there.
Johnny's back there.
The top of the TV.
Yeah, that was
This is Steven. You know what this is? That's what it is.
Serena.
Oh, all right.
Oh, God.
Hey.
Ready, Anthony?
crystal ball.
Oh, my glasses.
Where are they now?
Hey, enjoy yourself. It's
Yeah.
so good.
I know.
So funny.
Oh, there's all we had so many people.
Look at that TV. That's
Yeah.
Let me see.
Like on these little
Nancy.
And Nancy's first TV.
Back in the
That was
Oh, there's your brother.
Hey, John.
Oh, you got one Billy too. And
Johnny.
Who's this?
I said, Mom, what am I?
This Tony Chestnut with hair.
It's too late, I don't know where it is anymore. It's a picture of Anthony, how Angie used to dress in at Christmas. Like, hi, I'm dead boy.
I know.
Don't beat me
It's
up.
at your house. The girl, Miss Thomas. Can't see us too.
And we were dressed for a wedding. This was sad.
Who's
this?
You're on the
Look
desk.
at
Oh, look at Anthony with the cheese.
And next year,
Let me see.
Thomas
Turn it around.
Who's he in that nice green dress?
Let me see.
Well, we were in style, man.
That's me?
Yeah.
That James in the background?
and that's Kentucky, right?
Oh, Thomas.
Thomas?
Yeah, we were so in style.
Well, Anthony?
You missed it.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? All right.
The little sewing machine.
That's your old
Yeah, welcome to Nevada. Nevada.
Savannah?
The car broke down, but it made it here. Car is through. Oh, picture of this one. I see one, the gang member. What's the name of your gang?
Wait, our gang sign would be like.
It has to be B. No.
I'll do this. I like it personal.
Serena.
Who cares?
Marie.
You never.
What's today's date? Saturday.
No.
Date? Date, please. Date. Today's date?
7.
Saturday. March 7th. Location, Henderson. There he is. Johnny. Dominic. Dominic from Brooklyn.
Oh, yeah, get a little.
Now fighting out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Nancy Vitti.
We have to come back next week.
Formerly Brooklyn. Now fighting out of Henderson, Nevada. Jody. How you feeling? Bad mood today?
No, next week. S.
Anthony trying to figure out the crossword puzzle.
I know, but
Is that for the newspaper?
yeah, 78 means narrates, but
Yeah.
speak, talk.
Oh, yeah.
art.
It's fiction.
Hi.
Hi, silent video.
Silent video.
Would you like
Go
my
slow,
light
go
on?
slow.
Henderson, Nevada.
Slowly, nicely.
We'll put my light on.
Freaking
We'll
Nevada.
give it free. We'll give it the whole.
We're freaking Nevada, and we're in Nancy's brand new home.
Don't forget to zoom. Use the zoom in and out.
Hello.
Zoom,
Zoom in and out.
This is the new
The
den.
new furniture.
Get the bow, get the bow in the wall. Get the bow. Slowly, slowly.
I had it outside, but I got it.
Now you come back.
We have now left messages to everybody we know in Las Vegas, Henderson, and the surrounding area. Obviously, people don't want to call us back, so we'll see you someday. Bye.
Okay, you're on.
Did they grind them?
And where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh, cool.
I lost it, man. I couldn't even see it. Do it again. Hey, Serena. At Marie's house, new Saturn.
Then we're gonna go to the mountains soon. Show me this later. Right down that rock.
Boom, crashed. Okay.
Serena, could you pass us?
Anthony, hurry up, it's getting cold.
Sunday, February 9th, March 9th.
I'll have some ricotta when
That's Serena.
Anthony.
Hey.
All right, then that's time.
Anthony.
Get Sherry some more.
That kickboxing thing is April. It's on your birthday.
April 26th?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good present. Thanks.
Thank God.
Appreciate it.
Maybe Serena will buy us a ticket.
Where's Sherry Cat?
For his birthday. You can take
Sherry.
that kickboxing thing at the.
Sherry in Henderson, Nevada. All right.
Mom, water?
Come on.
Yes, Grandma.
Hey, Graham. Hey, Graham.
Got water in there?
How you feeling? Tired? Tired?
Mom said, we're up there.
Delicious, Mom.
Drink.
Oh, the ice.
Sherry Cat sleeping at Marie's house.
Mom, where are you?
He's gonna have to hold it.
Does he have his schoolwork? What's, you know, stuff?
This goes in my car.
Yeah, we could do that. We could do like Anthony.
It's so annoying.
Okay, come on, since you stay with us.
Like, they're punishing me. I would like them.
Once again, the famous goodbye shot.
Jody don't want them.
This is my famous goodbye shot. Parents are leaving tomorrow, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, said they're staying. They're leaving without us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, well, say no fun. They don't need it then.
3 weeks, again. 3 weeks. Hey, I'll beat you up next time. See you later.
Beep, beep. See, Anthony, I was on one potato. Wait, the 10th.